If you have been struggling to get views,
but also to struggle, right? And our life
this
is a struggle.
video is for you because I have been there. I've been on YouTube over the years and I've not really taken my content creation seriously. This means my channel has not been growing. So later on, I get to start taking everything serious and I keep posting videos yet no view. Sometimes I get 2 views, sometimes I don't even have view at all, and sometimes I don't even have subscribers. I became frustrated and tired and I feel like giving up. So if you're in the same position, please make sure you watch this video to the very end because I'm going to unfold every secret I discover that my channel started getting subscribers and views. Hello, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Abbas, and on this channel we do everything media, from teaching you how to create content, video editing, AI video creations, as well as social media management, digital marketing, and how to grow your channel just like the way I am doing right now. So without any further ado, let's get creative. If you notice from my screen here, you will see Photoshop Light Gel Effect, which is the name I give to my file. So now, one of the first tip in this video is this. Before you upload any video, make sure that your file name is, the name you give to your file is according to the name of what, the name you give to your file should be according to the title of the video. Why is it important? Because the name you use to save your file, once you upload it, you can see it automatically appear here as my title. It means that the YouTube algorithm is going to recognize that video based on the title you give to the video. Even if I change this title now, doesn't matter. But already I have, the YouTube algorithm has already know what this video is all about. So if it's going to check my video, it will recognize it with that name. So this is the very first thing you should do when you create your video. Either you use CapCut or any other app that does not allow you to save, or you save with a name that does not align with what you want to post, kindly change the name to the preferred title. And here is my title. So now that I have my title, Photoshop Light Effect, you get, so I can put some hashtags in it so that it can easily go viral for me. So I can just add this and this. So the next thing you will do is to add description. Do you get? So if you don't know how to write your description, kindly hold on to ChatGPT and then copy the video title that you are uploading like this. Photoshop Light Gel Effect. And then I'm going to come to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, I'm going to post this video title and I'll tell ChatGPT to help me write a SEO. SEO. Are you following me? Write SEO description for my YouTube video. With this title. Then I'll press send. So it's that easy. All you need to do is just know how to use it perfectly. So you now say, now create stunning light gel effect in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. So now here is the description. All I will just do is to just highlight from here like this to the end here, and then I'll right click and click on what, copy. So I'll take back to my YouTube channel and I'm going to Ctrl V and paste it. So if you're using a Mac, it's Command V. So that's this. So after this stage, the next thing I will do is to come to this place where you say, yes, is it made for kids? Make sure it's on not made for kids. Now, originally on your own, you are going to see it like this. So what you will do is to click on show more so that you can see more settings. Then what you will do is You say alter comment. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something they don't say or do. Alter footage of real event or place. Generate realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. So this does not reflect any of my distance, so I'm not going to say no. Then you come down to this place. I allow automatic chapter and key moment. Then you say allow automatic places. So put all this one, let this ones to remain like that. Now this step is very, very important. This step I'm about to show you is key because it's going to help your video a lot to go far according to what I have learned. So pay attention. So now here is asking you for tags. Now you don't know anything to even put as tag. No problem. Let's go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, give me tags for this uh, video you just described, and let's watch how it will give us tags. Here are SEO optimized tag list for your Photoshop Light Gel Effect video. Now, so you see all these ones here are all tags. I'm going to copy everything here. You get? I'll copy everything. Now, so these are designed to hit both broad search, e.g., Photoshop tutorial, and niche keyword. So what that means is that when people search for anything Photoshop, even if it's on Google, they are going to recommend this your video to them. Love it, right? So let's continue. So I'm going to go back to where I'm uploading my video, and I'm going to paste what I've copied. So you can see I already have a lot of tags here. So I have my tags here, and it complained that the tags I put are too much. So I'm going to remove some of the tags because they are much. So removing, removing, because if you see, you are only allowed to add 500 words, and I have 528 already. So I'm going to remove some of them now. It's now okay. So next thing you are going to do, all this thing you are seeing is because I have TubeBuddy activated on my YouTube. I pay is a paid uh it's a paid third-party app that helps you to check your optimization. Maybe when you want to do title, you check your title and everything to give you a good one, and as well see and score it for you, and a lot of uh, different things that you can do with it. So TubeBuddy is very good if you want to really optimize your channel or optimize your video as an upcoming YouTuber, just like me, right? So let's grow together. So if you find this video, if you think I'm teaching you something that is of value to you, please, I beg, subscribe, subscribe, please. Let's go. So I have, you can see keyword ranking 9, 10, and all those things. 21. This one is 40. I can add this if I want. You get, that's added to my tag. So I'll go and look for one to remove. So that's that. So next thing we are going to do, after we've add our tags to our video, so it's going to out of language. So me, I choose English United Kingdom as my language, but you can make it English, general English. Now leave this place as none, just as it is. Now recording date and time. This place is also important because once you put this place, it's going to tell you to put video location. You know that on YouTube, if the view on YouTube, the location of your views on YouTube determine how your video will end. This means that people that are from all these USA, all those countries, when people from there are viewing your video, you tend to earn more when people from other third world country are viewing your video. So if you want your video to be shown to people in those high paying country, then this place is going to be very helpful. This is a tip that people are not telling you. So I'm coming to tell you because I just learned about it and I want us to grow together. So come on to this place and click on this place. I'll choose today's date, which is 13. Then I'm going to see video location. This is where you choose the location of your video to make you to push your video to people in that location. As we speak, I'm in Nigeria, but I'm going to say my video location is United States. So I'll type it here. You get it will now bring option, and I'll put. This means that YouTube is going to show my video to people in the United States very well, and you know what it means. Where views are coming from that place, you get better pay, especially when you get monetized. But now I am not monetized. So let's go. So now the next thing we are going to do is to come here and this category. Another important setting is your category. Make sure that the category you are going to put for your video is a very good category that align with what you are doing. This thing I'm doing is education, so I'm teaching. So it means the category of my video is education. So let's click on this and see what we have under categories. So you come here, you see auto vehicle, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation. Now for some people who are doing uh movie, this is the option they use. People who are doing music, they use entertainment. Even movie can use entertainment. Film and animation, maybe you are operating a faceless YouTube channel, you can also use film and animation. Now training, you can use this how to and style for this kind of video I'm doing as well. So it also helps to go viral. News and politics and a lot of that. So all these things are very important when you are uploading your video, and it's going to help your video to go to the right people. So let's continue. So I'm going to use education as my own. I'm going to leave everything like this, all this type activity. I can make this one how to. This is the kind of education I'm doing, and then I will proceed. My academic system is Nigeria. I leave it like this, and then my video is sort by top. The next thing I'll do is to click on next. Now here is where the real thing is happening. You are going to add a related video. This means that when this video is done showing, YouTube is going to show another video from your channel that you click that, okay, this video is the related video to your viewers. You can also make other video on your channel to get views. So we are going to come here and click on add in this related video. Then what I'll do is a video that has to do with Photoshop, which is this one, Photoshop Masterclass Basics. So I'll click on this one as my related video. If you have subtitle file, you can add your subtitle, click on add, and then you subtitle your video, you upload the file, or you use auto sync. Then you begin to do it. But for now, I don't have that. So let me click on done, and then it's not really much, but it can help your video to go viral as well. So you click on next. This place that says check is to tell you that if your video has copyright protected things inside, and your video, maybe if you get monetized, somebody else is going to claim what you earn. It's going to strike it here. Like this one now is already telling me that this video I'm about to upload has a copyright issue, and there's no other thing. I am sure it's because of the sound I use in that video. So all I will do is just to remove the sound. To resolve this issue of copyright, it's either you do it on YouTube here, or you decide to stop uploading, go back to your video, remove the music, and put a copyright free sound if you must put a sound, and then start to re-upload. So in my case now, for the sake of this tutorial, I want to resolve the issue on YouTube. I'm going to click on see details. This see details is going to show you the major problem that is making YouTube to flag your video, which is here. Look at it. It's a get lucky audio. Now this audio, I got it on CapCut while I was editing my video. It means somebody else must have used it to do a video and put on YouTube. It's actually a free sound I saw on CapCut, and I put. So you can do your own sound if you have money. If you don't have money, you can use Suno to create your sound. So what I'll do is to take action. Then I'm going to say replace song, and I'll click on continue, and then YouTube will give me songs to put. So now among these songs, you could actually get a song that is also copyright sometimes, but then you play it to hear the song and put. So you can say it's having CC here. So you say you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that monetize. However, you must include attribution information in your description. You get. Now let's check this one. You can use this video. Let me stop the sound. Now you can use this audio track in any of your video, including videos that you monetize. No attribute is required. So this is the difference between this one that have CC. It has copyright, but you have to give the owner of the sound credit. But this one, it doesn't have. So let's play it and see. I'll just replace my sound and I'll click on save. Then I'll say I'll acknowledge that changes to be made permanent. I'll now confirm change. So the copyright issue is now resolved. So I'll now return to upload. You can see this place that you have that red that time has gone. That is how you can literally rectify your copyright issue, especially when it has to do with audio on YouTube. But if you don't have, if you don't want to use YouTube audios, you can easily go back to your system or your phone where you create your video, remove the sound because YouTube has already shown you what is the issue, remove the sound and then replace it with another one that does not have copyright strike. So that is, if that is done, the next thing you are going to do is to click on next to go to visibility. Now in this place you can do a whole lot of things here, you know. So you can make your video public, unlist, private. A lot of creators recommended that you make your video private or unlisted for at least 24 hours or 48 hours before it goes public. They say that this will give YouTube enough time to analyze your video and know about it and then push it out to the right audience once it goes public. So you can try out this to see if it works for you on your channel too. So you can make it private and then you come to this schedule and click on schedule and then you are going to click on the date you want to schedule it. If it's 24 hours, so it's 14, today is 13th, and I'm going to put it, what time is it now? It's 5:12 a.m. So I'm going to put 24 hours scheduling. I'm going to go down to what, 5:15. Yes, because we are in 5:10 right now. And then the next thing you will do is to do what, schedule your video. And once you are done with this, then you are good to go. So my video has been scheduled. So if you learn any new thing from this video, please do well to support me, subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop a comment for me so that I can do more better. When you like, you subscribe and you comment, it means you encourage me to do more. I'll see you in another video. My name is Abbas and I'm rooting for you.